The man was going to clean his boat before the onset of spring. As soon as he took the tarp off, he noticed a little fur ball, which, startled, froze in the corner. My husband was cleaning the boat and found this lonely child. He brought him into the house, says Louise Schofield. In the small town where the couple lives, there is a colony of wild cats. The family later learned that the kitten they found, along with his brother, was born in a garage about a block from their home. The owner of this garage is a huge cat fan and regularly feeds the animals in the area. A few days after the kittens were born, one of them was found dead in the garage.